Ready to turn your Framer designs into a smooth, interactive experience? Let's jump right into linking pages in Framer, making navigation a breeze for your users. Start by having at least 2 pages created in your Framer project. In this example, we have a Home and an About Us page ready to go. Next, select the element you want to use as a link. This could be a button, text, or even an image. For this example, we'll use the Learn More button on the home page. With your element selected, look to the right-hand Properties panel in Framer, find the link property. It might be in the Interaction or Navigation section, depending on your Framer setup. Click the drop-down next to the link property. A list of available pages in your project will appear. Simply select the page you want to link to. In our case, we're choosing About Us. Framer automatically creates the link. Now, when a user clicks the Learn More button on the home page, they'll be taken directly to the About Us page. Preview your project to test the link and ensure it works as expected. Click the Learn More button, and you should be smoothly navigated to the About Us page. That's all there is to it. You've successfully linked pages in Framer. Now go create seamless navigation for all your projects.